Is your 2016-2020 Kia Optima's key fob working intermittently or not at all? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective solution, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through each step to get your key fob working like new. Let's get started. The 2016-2020 Kia Optima key fob uses a CR2032 battery. This is a common 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, 20 millimeters in diameter. You can find CR2032 batteries at most drugstores, supermarkets, auto parts stores, or online retailers like Amazon. Reputable brands include Duracell and Energizer. Avoid counterfeit batteries to ensure proper functionality. Prices have dropped since 2023, averaging $5 to $10. You'll only need a few simple tools for this replacement. A small flathead screwdriver works well for prying open the key fob. A coin can also be used as an alternative to the screwdriver for the same purpose. For best results, use a plastic pry tool to prevent scratches on the key fob's plastic casing. No soldering or special equipment is required, making this a straightforward DIY project. Locate the small notch on the side of your Kia Optima key fob. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver, coin, or pry tool into this notch. Carefully twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid using excessive force as the plastic can be brittle. Work slowly and methodically to prevent damage. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up. Gently lift the old battery out of its housing. You may need to use your tool to carefully dislodge it. Be mindful not to damage the surrounding circuitry. Now for step 3, installing the new battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the key fob's compartment. Make sure the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing up, just like the old battery was oriented. The battery should sit snugly in place without any wobbling. Before moving on, double-check the polarity to ensure it's correct and avoid any potential damage. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure the casing is securely closed. Now test the key fob by pressing the lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic buttons on your Kia Optima. If the car responds correctly, you've successfully replaced the battery. If not, double-check the battery orientation and the fob's assembly. If your key fob still isn't working after replacement, first ensure the battery is properly seated with the positive side up and that the fob halves are fully snapped together. Sometimes, electromagnetic interference from nearby cell towers or urban environments can disrupt key fob signals. This is more common in densely populated areas where multiple signals compete. Always dispose of the old CR2032 battery at a recycling center. These lithium batteries contain materials that should not go in regular trash to protect the environment. A fresh CR2032 battery should provide reliable performance for up to 10 years, depending on usage. Regular testing and avoiding counterfeit batteries will help maintain your key fob's functionality.